Good morning, good evening. I am _Nyabohanse and welcome to my channel. Today being a Thursday morning, a very good morning, refreshing morning. It is not very sunny, it is a bit cloudy, and we thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for my subscribers. I thank God for Team Marwa, and I thank God for all my colleagues, my crew who I'm going to meet at the Mwita'S construction site. Today I've taken a different path, a totally different path. You can see where I'm in the, I'm passing through small paths in the village, in Nyabohanse village, and I'm surrounded by maize and natural fences of the people's compound. So right now I'm headed to my place of work, and keep on liking my videos, keep on viewing, keep on watching, keep on subscribing so that I can get to 2,000 subscribers, and keep on watching my videos from beginning to the end so that I can achieve the 4,000 watch hours and begin monetizing before I head back to my village in Bungoma County, Habukoya village. Guys, it's a nice morning, so keep on watching me as I go, as I find my way through this path and maize plantation. Yeah, I need to pass here, and at night it also rained, so it's a bit muddy, and I need to watch my step as I pass through this maze. You can see I'm passing through people's homestead. Yeah, see, I pass somebody homestead. Let me walk straight. The path is a bit narrow and tricky, so I need to watch my step as I negotiate this tiny, slim paths. And then I walk. Tell me to go up. Yes. Walk up. Ahead I can see Auntie Mary and the family digging, plowing the land. Busy plowing the land. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, young lady.
Morning too.
Good morning, Winnie,
Morning too.
the filmmaker. Auntie Mary.
Yes.
I can see you have woken up early
Yeah, I have woken early.
to plow,
Yeah,
your land.
Yeah, these maize, as you can see,
Yes.
they are growing very fast.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to do what?
You're weeding.
Weeding.
You're weeding.
Yeah, I want to weed them before they start removing
The
yeah,
those they are called what?
those ones.
I don't know their hairs.
Yeah, as you can see, they're almost by next week.
Yeah.
We have already removed them. So
Okay.
and also some things down here. You can see they already put some flowers.
Okay.
So I just want to go very fast within by Friday. I want to be done here.
Okay.
So that I can go to another farm
Over there.
over there.
How many farms have you dug? Do they belong to you?
Yeah, mine.
They're
mine.
all yours.
Yes.
Oh, so
But
you're
the one that I'm doing, I'm telling you that it's over there. I just rented that place.
Oh, you leased it.
Yeah. So this one is mine, and I have another one
down
up there.
Up there when you cross the river.
You cross the river, then you go after those on that trees. You see those trees over there?
Yeah, that's very far away.
Yeah. I have
So,
but there is a small one. There was a time my husband bought that place. It's 25 by 100.
okay,
So it's
25
very
by
small, but
100.
I already put some maize there.
Ah, so you are a farmer.
Yeah.
This is the life I live in back in my village.
Yeah, we are trying. You know, everything is just to try.
I also have
Because
maize.
this farming without even capital is very hard. Sometimes you don't have fertilizer. As you can see, like me here, I decided just to weed. I
Yeah.
already put from there to somewhere there. So
Yeah.
I need some more fertilizer from that point to the end.
To the
But
end.
I just want to weed as it is,
So
and then I'm gonna put fertilizer later.
you are top dressing.
Yeah, I'm top dressing the second round here.
So guys, this is what we do. Also, I also do back in my village.
Yes.
I have maize. I have a farm, a big one, and we do a small farming, but it's not easy. It is not always easy. Sometimes the climate can mess you up, or the market can also mess you up. So farming is not easy as people think, and people try to survive. And it is not much, but people try. Farmers try. That's when you thank God when you put food on the table. You also thank the farmer, because without the farmer, there's no food also. So, Auntie Mary, me, I'm heading to the site.
Oh, you're going to the site?
Yeah, Daniel Mwita'S construction site.
Where do you come from? Because I can see you coming from down here.
You see, today I took a totally different path.
Oh.
I rented a room there in Isibania, there, just the border. They told me the border, near up behind Shell petrol station.
Okay, so you use the shortcut here.
Yeah, I used the road from the other side.
Okay.
But today I totally took a different path.
Okay.
I even met that mzee of yesterday.
Oh.
And he asked me for cigarette. I gave him money for cigarette. I don't know. Yeah.
That's good.
So, guys, thanks talking to you. Let me head to the site.
Okay.
Madam Winnie.
That if there is something, you just call me.
Yeah, I will do.
Because today I'm here.
Okay.
I decided because there's no job.
Okay.
Let me just weed.
You do your own things.
Yes.
Okay.
Than sitting like that.
Sawa sawa. Okay, Madam Mary. This is Madam Mary, Africa.
Yes.
I've been chatting with her. And Madam Mary, it's been a pleasure talking to you. So you have yourself a nice morning.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Morning to you. Yes. I can see you have just woken up. So, here I go. I found the right path. And the beautiful thing is, the good thing is, I go to Madam Mary, Africa. That's her channel. She is busy plowing her land, weeding her land, her maize. And right now, I'm almost getting to Daniel Mwita'S site. I'm passing through that Robbie Davies and Chachatel's, I don't know, their father's grave. Yeah. So guys, I'm totally in Nyabohanse village. This is African village life. And Africa is our business. So guys, from a distance, You can see Daniel Mwita'S construction site. I need to go like this so that I can talk to that lady to make us a cup of tea in the morning. I need this lady to make us a cup of tea. Hodi! Umeamka leo? Oh, niko salama. Nilikuwa nataka unaweza tutengenezea chai vikombe watu waine na chapati mbili. Tukunywe breakfast. Si ndio? Itakuwa ready by saa ngapi?
Watu waine.
Watu waine. Sababu famous sidhani kama nakunywa. Kwa complicated. Sawa.
Acha niwaambie.
Asante. Guys, I've just ordered tea. Sema kaka. Ndoko mka. Asante. I've just ordered tea for like 4 of us. I understand Fema doesn't take tea in the morning, so I've ordered for 4 people a cup of tea and 2 chapatis each, so that we can have our breakfast maybe at 9 o'clock there. So guys, it's been a pleasure chatting with so many villagers this morning, and also meeting Madam Mary Africa. You can follow her, Madam Mary, on Madam Mary Africa channel, and support her in whichever way you can. So let us catch on later. Yeah. Guys, here is my crew. We are here at Mwita'S construction site. There is Brushy B. There we have Lady Fema.
Hi guys, Fema Travels.
And there we have Okwemba. The
Ready
crew,
to work.
Ready to
Already
grind.
arrived.
Ready to grind. So we are waiting for our bosses. You know what I'm saying? We are waiting for our bosses to come.
The big people.
Yeah, the Kizo, Mike Kizo, Dana Mwita. We are waiting for them. And there far off we have our Mr. Dogo. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah, there. Yeah.
Dogo Chandu.
Here in the village they say a small person or a younger person, they call him Dogo. According to the Kuria, the way they speak, Dogo.
Even the Tanzanians usually
call they say Dogo. So you call him Dogo. If you don't know his name, say Dogo. But today we're going to ask for his name. It's very strange that we don't know his name.
Moses.
And we work with him. He's called Moses.
I think so. I'm not very sure.
Don't think.
Dogo naitwa Moses. Naitwa Moses.
Yeah.
Hey, he's called Moses.
He's called, our Dogo man is called Moses. He has a name. He's called Moses. And we are over here at Daniel Mwita'S construction site waiting to go home. So guys, it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
My lines are expiring. My lines, they are 3 weeks now.
They are not that bad.
Yeah.
They are still good.
Yeah, she did an amazing job. The one who made this hair.
Yeah.
Me, I'm yawning.
You are hungry.
Yawning. I'm hungry.
Hungry or tired?
It depends with
I'm hungry.
what you ate yesterday. So if you took porridge, it
And
is up
you
to you.
slept.
No, I took ugali.
Porridge really washes your intestines
I
and
took
rinses
ugali
them.
at night for dinner.
Yeah,
but
porridge.
now
You know, porridge rinses your intestines and rinses,
It's
and then you
intestines.
and then you get
so
hungry.
hungry.
You cannot even sleep.
Umemaliza mimi
Yeah.
nenda.
You toss and turn at night.
Yeah.
You might find even yourself you are falling off the bed because
Yeah.
of hunger pangs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there is Okwemba. Are you hungry also?
I'm really hungry.
All right.
Really hungry.
Very hungry.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, let's see what the day has in store for us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chika. Sio tukipeleka. Ndapeleka zote. Msilete uchafu hapo Msiweke uchafu hapo. Telling those kids not to put that on the compound. We are just still continuing yesterday's job. Yeah. Dakika 5 dogo.
This man I buy it like 5.
Yeah. I don't know the price here.
Twende.
Varies at different places.
500. So, you must say you have half of it, the money, so we can contribute to you. So if you have nothing,
You are willing to contribute?
how much do you have? How much do you have?
Wewe sema yenye unatoa.
If uko na ngapi?
Niko na 200.
Unajua unatoa cash unaweka hapo. Na inakuwa half of it, it will benefit you, not us.
Kuja. Ugope. Najua huyo mwingine angekuwa na pia anaweka kwa wingi ingekuwa haraka. Sawa. Ndio tuoshe gope sababu unajua tuna shoot content.
Haya, go with the
Unasema tunapitia pale, ndio? Hiyo mambo yao
here today.
Guys, let this work, but the team.
The team in diaspora.
Diaspora.
Team chap chap.
Chap chap.
Yeah.
So hello guys. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope I can name famous travel. FAY.
Yeah, just stop. Stop.
MAR travel. FAY. MAR travel. And as you can see here, this is the first step of the landscaping and second step.
Actually, this is the first step.
First step of landscaping.
Guys, that's how we have balanced the backyard
Maybe
of this Daniel Mwita'S house.
And also
As
the
you can
land
see,
terrain. But there is, you know, if you are, you know,
this is how we have balanced the backyard.
yeah, if you are from, like, let's
This is
say you
how
are
it
from
looks.
Awasi, heading to Kipsitet, to Kapsoit, you're gonna find big hills. Oh, Kapsoit, you know, I know those places because I've been to Kericho like twice. Coming to visit Kericho.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, give yourself a shout out then.
So guys, this is Brackety. Welcome to Ken Record.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are
Fanya hivi.
The ground looks nice. Very nice. Shika. Sema toko uko tuko njia yangu hapo ndo napiga
Sasa
kona.
hapa ni njia yako wapi?
360.
Ah,
360.
ni uchokozi. The mom from Kabuko ya village.
Hata kama ni sponsor, simwambia Dosa not sponsor. Sasa my fellow YouTuber unasikia kitu anasema.
Hata akisema rukanga kila siku mara mbili kwa video unaruka ndani ndio unajua.
Kwa nataka wakaushe pesa. Moja. Imebakisha moja ama moja.
Kuna dakika mbili.
Hapo ndio ingie imesimama vizuri. Nikiteremsha hapo itakuwa stable. Hapo.
Tunakaza tumalize huu mchanga before lunch.
Gani huu? So guys, here we are digging, shoveling the soil or the maram onto the wheelbarrows, and then we wheel it to the front side.
take this one.
Oh, I take this one.
Yeah.
We wheel it to the front side of the compound. Yeah.
I'm here now. will
So
finish now.
even I want to rest now.
You can rest.
You should rest. It is lunchtime.
And we forgot to ask about lunch. The lady is supposed to bring it.
We wait.
Nasema excuse kidogo.
Maybe she was not even, like she was in hall. You have to get hard from this one.
Hello guys, we are having village sodas. These are village sodas of Nyabohanse.
Nataka niimbe nikuletee copyright.
Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Sugar cane. Nyabohanse village sodas. Here they are. Let me come at the center. See how guys are enjoying. Brushy B is there. Yeah. And Lady Fema Travels is there.
Are we enjoying sugar cane?
Yeah. And Mano Kwemba
This
is behind here. After doing this job here, you can see what we've done. Behind me, you can see what we've done. We've done a marvelous job by removing all the soil. Now it looks nice. There it is. And there is So guys, we've finished the backyard. We have finished leveling the backyard of Daniel Mwita'S house. But this is how it looks. This is how it looks here. So let me go at a higher ground so they can see it from a different angle. So guys, from this angle, this is how it looks. This is what we've done here. I know it's a thorough job we've done by levelizing the soil behind at the back of this Daniel Mwita'S house. So this is how it looks. So tomorrow we will be cutting here. We'll be finishing just this side to align it well and fill. There's a slope here. We want to also levelize it a bit. All the maram we've taken it to the front yard. We've taken it to the front yard. So let me show you where we've taken all the maram. So tomorrow we'll be removing this soil and putting it here on this small path, and because it's slanting downwards. So this is all the soil that we have brought to the front of this house. This is all the soil. This is all the soil that we managed to bring in front of this house. Some we dumped it here. Some we also dumped it here, so that Maybe eventually after plastering this house, they will the soil will be spread over to levelize the front yard. To levelize the front yard. These are all the soil that we brought. This one we brought yesterday before the rain interrupted us. And so from this angle, you can see it from there, how we are, the kind of job that we've done here. So guys, it's we've finished today's job. So all this, I think we'll be completing this job tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Guys, it has been a pleasure working here at Mwita'S construction site, and I want to thank all my subscribers for watching my videos, for sharing, for liking, for viewing, and you've been very good to me. Thank you wherever you all are at this hour, at this minute. I appreciate you all. I am underscore Nyabohanse from Bungoma County, Habukoya village, and I'm quite happy to be here in Nyabohanse village, and I'm happy to be part and parcel of these projects. All the other projects that we are doing, we humble ourselves. We're just humbling ourselves and we do them so that we can be part of this development here in Nyabohanse village, because we are also building Africa in whichever way we can, and being part of it is really a privilege here in Nyabohanse. So I appreciate you all, and I give you all my love. Thank you, all my subscribers. Keep subscribing, keep watching my videos from beginning to the end. Also I have a playlist, play it, just press play. And to all those subscribers, those all viewers who watch our videos and they have not subscribed, press that subscribe button, and it will be all good. You'll be supporting us in that way. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. We are here at Mwita'S construction, and I sign off by saying we are in Nyabohanse village, and we are all Team Marwa. We are all Team Marwa, Commander's team. Thank you so much, and thank you for supporting Daniel Mwita in constructing this house, and I pray that you support him and see it to the end, so that he can live here, and in future also have, when he gets children, they can all live here. Yeah. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. I love you all.